Welcome to Beautyistic. Today we're diving into a product that promises to be a savior for sensitive and delicate skin. Aveeno Calm Restore Daily Body Wash. This body wash is formulated with ingredients like oat, aloe, and provitamin B5, ingredients known for their soothing and nourishing properties. If you struggle with dry or irritated skin, keep watching as I break down how this body wash performs and whether it lives up to the hype. Aveeno's Calm Restore Daily Body Wash is designed specifically for people with sensitive skin. Its formula is free of sulfates, parabens, fragrances, soaps, and dyes, so it ticks all the boxes if you're looking for something gentle. The key ingredients, like oat and aloe, are well known for their calming effects. Oat helps to hydrate, restore, and protect the skin's natural barrier, while aloe is great for soothing irritation. Provitamin B5 works to replenish and nourish, ensuring your skin feels soft and hydrated after every wash. Now, I know some of you might be wondering, does it actually live up to its promise of gently cleansing without stripping the skin? Let me tell you, I've been using this body wash for a few weeks now, and it's been a game changer for my sensitive skin. I've tried body washes that leave my skin feeling tight and dry, but this one was different. The texture is smooth and creamy, and it lathers well without feeling heavy. I didn't experience any irritation or dryness, which is a huge win for me. It's also been a perfect addition to my morning routine. When I apply it, my skin feels instantly calmer, and the hydration lasts throughout the day. There's no overwhelming scent, which is a relief for those who are sensitive to fragrances. Plus, the bottle is made from 30% post-consumer recycled plastic, which is a nice touch for anyone looking to be more eco-conscious. However, as with any product, there are a couple of things to keep in mind. While the formula is soothing, I do feel like the body wash could use a bit more lather. If you're someone who loves that bubbly, foamy texture, this might feel a little underwhelming. But I believe the formula's main focus is on nourishing and calming the skin, so I'm willing to look past that minor detail. Pros? Well, the ingredients are top-notch for sensitive skin. It cleanses gently, without stripping moisture, and my skin feels nourished and hydrated after each use. Plus, I really appreciate the fact that it's dermatologist recommended, especially for people with distressed skin, like those undergoing cancer treatments. On the flip side, the price might be a bit higher compared to other body washes in the market, but considering its gentle formulation and the nourishing benefits it offers, I think it's a fair price for what you're getting. If you're someone with truly sensitive skin or dryness, you might find this investment worth it. For those on a tighter budget, there are other affordable options, but this one certainly stands out for its calming properties and gentle formulation. As far as build quality goes, the bottle is sturdy and easy to squeeze, but not so soft that you end up wasting product. It's a 18/0 size, so it's a decent amount that will last for quite a while, especially since you don't need much to get a good cleanse. Now, if you're wondering whether there are other options out there that compare, I'd say there are a few alternatives that might be suitable for those on a budget, like the CeraVe Hydrating Body Wash or the Vanicream Gentle Body Wash. Both offer gentleness, though I would say Aveeno's formulation is a bit more focused on calming and restoring sensitive skin, whereas the others may focus more on moisture and hydration. So, does the Aveeno Calm Restore Daily Body Wash live up to its claims? Absolutely. It's a fantastic choice for those with sensitive skin or anyone looking for a body wash that won't irritate or dry out the skin. It might not produce the most lather, but the benefits it provides far outweigh that minor detail. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thanks for watching today's review, and remember, if you've tried this product, drop a comment below and let us know what your experience has been. If you want to give it a go, check the description box for a link to purchase. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.